So why do your washers and dryers only tell you they're done once? What if you're busy? What if something else is going on? What if you're not home? What if you're like me and you get distracted by shiny objects or motion? Wouldn't it be great if your washer or dryer had a snooze button so it could remind you over and over and you didn't have to keep that on your own mental load? Well, you don't need a snooze button. What you need is a Laundrybot. I might be on the way to the laundry room with the best of intentions to actually take the laundry out and move it to the dryer, or take the laundry out of the dryer and fold it, but it wouldn't actually happen. The kids would spill milk, or the dog needed to go outside, or a million other things would happen that would distract me from actually getting the laundry done. And it would sit there and mildew and not get completed. So we built Laundrybot. Laundrybot's just a little device that attaches to the washer or dryer door, and it detects when your cycle is done, and it sends you a notification. And then if you don't open that washer or dryer door, it sends you another notification, and another, until you actually come in and open the laundry door. It's gonna keep doing that unless you hit the snooze button. So there is a snooze feature. So if you're not at home or something else is happening and you need an hour to not be annoyed by your washer, but to not actually forget about it, we have that ability. So this is just a prototype right now. It's just a 3D printed case with an off-the-shelf module that has a screen and an accelerometer. The final version probably won't have a screen. It's probably just going to be a simple little box that you attach to the door of your washer or dryer. So what do you think? Is this something you would use? Do you ever forget your laundry like I do? Is there somebody you know in your life that could use something like this? What sort of features have we not thought of that you would like to have on your washer or dryer that maybe something like this could provide? Let us know in the comments. Let us know if you would like to have it beep also. Do you think the screen is useful at all, or do you think we should just get rid of that? Tell me in the comments, and we'll see you next time.